All right, everybody. Well, it was day 14 was last time we filmed. Day 15 slipped by us. I forgot to get the dang camera out because we were busy because Clark was leaving. So anyway, this is van number 1. You can see we got this all trimmed out. We got all this done. That's gonna have mule bags above it. That's the water line for the AC unit. So, but that'll have mule bags that cover it. This is completely trimmed out. You can see where we're gonna have some electrical there, radiant floor heating. Got all this trimmed out, our little hidden boxes. And the painter is coming tomorrow. So that's why we were rushing to get this thing completely trimmed out. There's gonna be another cabinet that's gonna go here that we have in, that the sink's gonna go on. And that's where that hole is where the gray water will drain out. Then we'll have solid surface countertops all the way across. It's gonna look beautiful. Anyway, so we finished trimming this out and putting these cabinets together on day 15. And I think day 6, and we also went around and did a little touch up on some other little stuff. This one's pretty much done too. We still have to trim this out, have to trim out that side today, but we got most of the upper pieces done. This is all going to get painted. There's a couple pieces we got to replace, but anyway, this is the kind of general idea of this one. This one's going to have a couch that goes across there, so we sealed this in with FRP because it's lightweight and doesn't take up much space. That way we maximize the amount of room for the couch to lay down. But you can see it's all trimmed in. We got to do the trim piece on the end of that though. So anyway, day 16 we're going to finish out these little trim pieces. Kitchen cabinet's going to go there. Cooler's going to go over here. There's the plug for the Dometic. Day 16 we should have both of them ready for day 17 when the painter gets here. Oh, let's leave that open. Anyway, that's what happens whenever you get around a bunch of dust, sawdust. Anyway, so the end of day 16, so day 17 should be painters, and then day 18 will be us putting the other kitchen cabinet in and getting a bunch of small stuff done. Day 19, golly, wow. Day 19 will be the countertop guy. Probably we're probably gonna have a couple day break in there because he's got to measure and cut the countertop. We give him the sink, bring it back, get that slapped in there, and then day 20 is going to be clean and touch up. We are pretty much done. So anyway, hopefully, wow, man, I'm gonna have to do some cropping on some video, or I might just leave that in there. Anyway, so anyway, we're gonna get rocking day 16. All right, here we are. It is day, I think day 17. I may be off by a day because one day the painters were in here and I'll have to upload pictures. They were taping and caulking and putting holes and doing all the prep work and stuff before they came in and sprayed everything down with emerald grade, which is the highest level of Sherwin-Williams paint. We used a repose gray diluted to 30%, so it's just got a hint of gray. When I say diluted, they just add more white or they add less gray, something like that. But anyway, here's where we're at. Boom, she looks so pretty. Look at there. Lights actually went in last night. Jim's back here doing touch up on the 100-inch slide out for the ladies. We got their romantic light mounted. Check this thing out. I'm gonna turn it. Boom, it's on. Medium, high, and then it's even got a red romance mode. How do you like that? I think I need 2 of those. Anyway, electronic panel came out awesome. Oh, that's weird. Through the camera you can see it flickering the thing, but it looks normal. Water tanks going, the Webasto heater. We got one little spot of touch up we got to do there. And one up there. We just kind of went around. Here's our lighting, which is on dimmers. Let me show y'all, see how it dims. And then we got our radiant floor heating. So our mule bags are gonna go all along here. Mule bags along here. Another counter here with a sink. We're gonna do solid surface countertops. We got their little cubbies made that are benches. And then the Dometic cooler is gonna go here. There's the plug for it. And then we're gonna have a cushion that goes all the way across there. And a cushion over there with back cushions so they can sit down and eat dinner or play cards or do a puzzle or yell at each other, all that good stuff. Anyway, look at Jim. He's just a machine when it comes to it. And it's cold as squat. So we got both vans running because we only got the Dometic heater installed in one of them. We're getting ready to install that bad boy right there next. I'm telling you, there is no question whatsoever. Nothing may get done today except that there will be a Dometic cooler, or a Dometic cooler, a Webasto heater. You can tell it's cold. I don't even know what the hell I'm saying. We're gonna put a Webasto heater right there in the next hour because it's colder than you know what. Anyway, look at this one. It is beautiful. Oh, we don't have the lights, the 12 volts not turned on, so we got to put the light switch in. That's why the lights are all off. But anyway, there's going to be mule bags all the way down here. You know, it's funny, the ceiling looks kind of funky with the lights. And what really freaked us out yesterday, I don't know if you can see it. See how it looks like there's a yellow stripe there? And a yellow stripe over there? That is from those lights, because if you go put your hand in front of them, it goes away. It's kind of weird. I guess it's how the light comes through the door and refracts off of it or something. It was really kind of odd. But anyway, here's the panel for this one. So everything works great. Boom. Let me turn that on. I got all my power killed off right now because we're in here doing stuff. But anyway, this one is going to have a regular garage. We have a potential buyer for it. He wants to do something a little different on the counter side over here, but he's got to pull the trigger in the next hour because if not, I don't know right where that countertop's going. So anyway, countertop's going to go there. We got all our plumbing ready. This is for our gray water. We got our filtration system, which is that right there. So goal today is get a Webasto heater in here, get a Dometic fridge, a couch, a countertop. Gray water tanks have already been, we're gonna get all that done. We can drop those in. I can do those tomorrow. Look how good all this trim work came out around the edges. Look at that. That's good. One little mark there I got to clean off with the Sharpie. But anyway, looking good in here. So day 16, I think was, did we say 16, 17 or 17, 18, Jim?
16, 17.
16, 17. 16 was a prep day, basically for the painters. Today's day 18, and we're gonna rock and roll. We're gonna shoot video at the end of the day. You're gonna see how much this thing's changed. So it's gonna be awesome. Everybody have a good one, and we'll keep you updated. All right, here we are. It's the end of day 17?
17.
Day 17, and we did everything we said we were gonna do. We'll give you the tour. So, we got the other cabinet in. Still gotta put the counter on, sink on, the face on, but that's all done. It's all nice and clean. Seats are in. All the lights are in. We have their reading light in. Really, we didn't work in this van hardly at all today. Oh, carbon monoxide detector is in. So, actually, until we get countertops in here, there's really nothing to do except maybe mount our Dometic fridge. We'll do that tomorrow. Level and balance that out. They got their awesome little cooktop. They're doing their little cookies. Oh, where am I going? the one that we worked in. We got this cabinet lifted into there. That's where that's going to go. This is going to have an extension built out, painted to match, where the microwave and the toilet can go underneath. But here's the important thing. We got our mule bags up. Look at these cabinets all the way down. And we're waiting on one light because one of our lights was messed up, so we had to order some more. But we got mule bags all the way down. And we got the Webasto heater in. We said we were going to put her in, and we did. The only thing we got to do is do the pump on the bottom, but I can do that by myself while Jim's chilling out in St. George. But anyway, this is what it looks like. Couch is going to go here. Dometic cooler over there, plugged in there. And then, I think that's it. Oh, we got the carbon monoxide detector on this one too. These, watch this. Oh, we have dimmable lights. All right here. It's our radiant floor heating, which isn't turned on. And you can see the Webasto heater light comes on. You can hear it. It's making noise, but it won't blow any heat yet. So anyway, that's it. We are done for the day. Everybody have a great day. Have a good Thanksgiving. I will be doing day 18 tomorrow, but it's gonna be kind of a solo day. But we're gonna get a bunch of small stuff done. Anyway, everybody take care and gobble gobble.